Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in part 2 we are going to discuss about places that attract the settlements. What kind of places attract the settlements? Like what is the basis that attract the people from one place to another? Let us see. Here we have three main criteria. First, site, the location of a place. If you see the place called Pratap Ghat, which was constructed by Chhatrapati Shivaji, according to him, the fort should be in higher elevation, where he can see the enemies coming inside the kingdom, so that he can attack from the higher elevation. So he took up the site and he constructed the fort in a higher elevation. According to his point of view, the site helped to do it. A place which is isolated from the common people or community cannot be a right place for settlement. You can't go and settle in a desert, or you can't go and settle in a forest where you don't have a connectivity to the public and the community. So you have to settle at a place where you have an access to all the other things. Next, situation. What is the situation that is binding us to do such things? For example, when you want to settle in a place where you have the opportunity, then you will go to a place where you get the opportunities. Here, the situation is that you need opportunities. You don't go to a forest and expect that you will get an opportunity. If you are in community only, you are entertained to get some opportunities. If you are out of a community, you can't get anything. Next, third criteria is history. What is the history of a place? For example, you take Vizag. Vizag is a place where Britishers and Dutch people fought with each other to get the establishment over there. Here, the Dutch means French people. Though it being a coastal region, it has a hillock and natural harbour is present. The idea of Britishers was they wanted to exploit the natural resources from India and export them to their country through Vizag, because the sea transport would be easy from there. Vizag has a connectivity from India to all the other major countries. So Vizag is a good settlement place. It has nice sites and situation is appropriate there. Now coming to history, Vizag is being a very good place, and even we have now the naval dockyard places and all these things. Many of the people have settled in Vizag. Vizag is one of the fastest growing cities in our Asian continent. Thank you.